guys, this is lights from Lego. So they actually work. I can take out the top to show you. If you see here, it's connected. Quite tiny. And if you have a car, if you like this guy I have here, I did a video about it. You should go check it out. And if you do some improvements, add some pieces, take some pieces, you can fit the lights. And with the battery box, you can put them on. It's kind of tricky. And if you lift up where the driver sits, you see all the wires and the lights. So for the battery pack, it has a connector point here. So these, you can just connect it there. And this switch can go left. For this one, you can have a power like how I have here. This one. So this one is a motor, just attach some wheels with it. And then I extended it with a cord. Then if you connect it, you see it's in the middle right now, the switch, the orange thing. When it's in the middle, it won't move, it will stay like that. But if we turn it forward, it will go backwards. So when we turn the switch here, it will go backwards. Look. So I'm turning it forward. Go forward and back. So this battery pack, it takes 6 AA batteries. You can see here. I didn't have one, so I improvised and tried. And the lights, I'm going to take the lights out from here. The lights are quite long, if you see. And it has 2 lights in the edge, kind of look like guns. And it's transparent. You can also connect it here too, but the car won't be as fast. The lights won't be as bright. You see the tires turning, you can see the light. So it's a X, it has all 4 wheels turning. So let me just show you this. So if I attach this tire, instead of using a tire, I use like this for example. I just connect it like that. Then I put it in. Then I switch it this way. You see, if I slow it down, it's going in this direction. It's going to my left. But if I switch it backwards, it's going to my right. This can work with 2 tires even. I can remove this one and it'll still go. So with this car, it won't drive too well with 2 tires, and with 1 tire, I don't even think it will move. in. So it could become quite messy with all these wires and stuff. So this is all the parts I have. This is the extender. This is the car. This is the camera that that's the motor power thing. And these are the lights. You can connect both of them at once, but it won't be as fast, it won't be as bright, like I said. So, if you don't touch it like that, it will be super bright. And if you look closer, you can see all the mechanisms. The wire, the light, two copper things going to your light, touching everything. As I said, you should go check out the video when I made this.